Arun, Yuri and Vikram are off. And hopefully we will be in Pang despite all the complications.
So yeah, it's very nice to see that man to achieve such a feat that's not been done earlier. Kargil to Kanyakumari. It's been very nice, all this, yeah. And yeah, I've come here as more of a mechanic. There's a lot of problem happening with the vehicles. So yeah, I'm happy with them.
And do give a check on the body thing, huh? After every 10 or 12. कि उन लोगों के लिए सप्लाईज अभी के लिए पानी, दूध, जूस.
दूध तो पी के गया है, जूस ले लेना, पानी ले लेना.
जूस और एक और बॉटल निकाल लेता है. चलो. Pune was like a tsunami which hit us as we reached Leh and he was with us for a week. He got so much of that josh and energy that only he can bring to the table. We had one of our cars break down 7 kilometers before Tanglanga. Unfortunately, we had to leave the car, jeep overnight, and next morning when we went to retrieve it, Pony towed that jeep up and down the world's second highest motorable road.
ये तो मैंने उठाई थी.
3 किलोमीटर और है, तो हम नीचे मिलते हैं. खाना वाना खाते हैं.
Too much exciting videos. Swollen. It is a bamboo and it is tambu. Seriously.
आंटी, ये टेंट को क्या बोलते हैं हम लोग?
टेंट.
इसको क्या बोलते हैं?
पैराशूट.
पैराशूट.
When he hits a rock or something, for example, the stress goes on your thighs.
जबकि यूरी भारतीय नहीं था, भारतीय नहीं है और पहली बार भारत आया था और उसने एकदम अपने आप को रम गया हमारे साथ इतना. वो बस खाली भाषा के अलावा वो पूरा भारतीय हो गया था. हर मंदिर में जाता था मेरे साथ, वहाँ ओम नमः शिवाय कहता था, घंटा बजाता था और मंदिर में पुजारी से टिक्का लगवा कर प्रसाद लेता था.
Ram Ram.
Ram Ram.
Adhiraj made it a point that K2K should not stop for bad roads and terrain. So this went on pulling and pushing and taking the load. At times it was carrying a motorcycle also. I am told the cabin is very hot, when the engine is running. So it was doing good in the cold areas.
Well done, yeah. पानी दे.
It's all because of breathlessness and I wasn't fit to run in that high altitude. It's only Bhaiya and his dedication and his efforts actually, he only can manage running, no one else can.
Run in temple. I'm running temple.
I flew in from Delhi and that's how it began, and those 10 days were beautiful. Every different individual was, with their own role, and it was nice to be bonding, and that whole situation, Arun running, trying to achieve that feat, and just being a part of the crew in that cold, that whole experience, the jeeps, not working properly, how to, in the morning, how to manage all that, the logistics to be kept in place. And again, Arun, what can I say? Not to mention other people who ran with him. But it was beautiful. Arun has covered 400 kilometers. What do you say, So we just crossed the town village Jispa. Headed to Kelong now, another 25 kilometers. More further we are getting to Manali, we are getting to see more vegetation, greenery, more trees around. This one had packed off, so we are just trying to, tow it away, get to Kelong, and then show it to a mechanic. 2-3 minor problems, but yeah, let's see what happens in Kelong. That's our stay tonight there, and that's pretty much. And we're waiting for 2 other vehicles to come. Arun is already further ahead.
कितने हो गए आज? 54.
वीडियो चल रहा है।
हाँ, वीडियो रिकॉर्ड हो रहा है।
मंडोले तेरा टन।
रोहतांग पास पूरा स्नो होएगा ना वहाँ पे।
Initially, when you first meet him, you will probably think he's a very quiet person. He doesn't talk a lot. He is to himself. But the minute you get to know him, you'll find out that he is probably like the biggest chatterbox around, because he will tell you the stories of everything from his childhood, from whatever he's learned in his life or what he's seen in his life and what's changed his thinking.
I think he's a very simple, he's a village boy basically, working in Delhi. His mind, his thought process, everything is very much ancient. He believes in vegetarian food, he believes in yoga, he believes in God, things which you don't see in a city life.
बिना किसी एक्सपीरियंस के, बिना रूट देखे हुए एक विश्वास के ऊपर कह दिया था कि 2 दिन में ख़त्म हो जाएगी। सॉरी, 2 महीने में ख़त्म हो जाएगी ये तो पूरा दौड़, और हो भी गई। तो अगर टारगेट 2 महीने का ना रखते तो शायद ये थोड़ा जल्दी भी हो सकती थी।
How's the towing going and sort of that? I was so tense, man. I can't believe. Every time, I saw कि यार गाड़ी नहीं दिख रही है। पहुंच गए होंगे।
That means land of dead. Salam is जीवन को doing 74 kilometers in mountains in one day.
The other thing is that
I don't think anybody else in this whole world can do that. तेरा रूम
Good luck. Welcome to the plains. It is Arun's policy, I mean, his way of thinking is to break down the larger goal in smaller achievable targets. On the front, we knew that we have to reach Kanyakumari on the 30th of November, which could be possible only if we maintained a minimum average of 68 kilometers. We also knew that in the Himalayas it will be difficult to reach that. We maintain about averaging something between 50 to 55 kilometers every day.
मिलते मीन्स कभी तो मिलते हैं।
नहीं मैं आ रहा हूँ, आप रहो। काम कौन सा गाँव में बोले हो?
पलचान, वो इनका गाँव है, ऐसे रोड पे ही है।
अच्छा, वाह। चलो, ऑल द बेस्ट।
Kargil to Kanyakumari, I have driven quite a bit to Leh, so I understand that driving from Leh by a car is itself a superhuman. Let's not talk about a gentleman running all the way from Kargil down to Kanyakumari. Well, I knew it's impossible, but having known Arunji, I knew only this one man could have done it. Nobody else would have done it.
विश्वास तो इन पर मुझे पूरा रहा है कि अगर इन्होंने सोच लिया है तो वो करेंगे ज़रूर। तो मैंने कहा कि कोई ज़रूरी नहीं कि आप कारगिल से कन्याकुमारी करें, बीच कम डिस्टेंस पे भी कर सकते हैं।
देशभक्त जिसको बोलते हैं, एक्चुअल देशभक्त मैंने ऐसा सिविलियन में ऐसा और किसी से ऐसा मुलाकात नहीं हुआ।
Yeah, Via City will be good. People will see you and like.
We can 1 or 2 we can go ahead and tell some people they can just meet.
No, you can just have a vehicle in front and maintain a distance of how many? 10 meters, 5 meters, whatever you want. 10 minutes. And both can maintain and you can keep running in between. And you can follow. Yeah.
So
there's some pace people also waiting here.
हाँ तो आप लीड कर पाओगे?
Yeah, I'll lead.
अरुण भारद्वाज जी, जो आपकी जो रेस हो रही है, कहाँ से लेकर कहाँ तक आपकी रेस की गई?
ये हमारी दौड़ कारगिल से लेकर कन्याकुमारी तक है।
तो आपने इस रेस को क्या नाम दिया हुआ है?
K2K, रन अक्रॉस इंडिया और इंडिया।
Neeraj, when he makes a plan, he does it. So I was confident that if he has made a plan, he'll do it. He had done the recce also. He had completed all his homework very well.
Beautiful, man. Our country has such kind of such bloody areas. I didn't know that, especially Kashmir and all that. Where are we? What are we doing, man? There's so much of things to be tapped in our country itself.
हिमालय से लेके नीचे कन्याकुमारी तक देखे और एक ही ये है अमेजिंग, इतना देखने को मिला हम लोग को। इसके पहले जानता भी नहीं था कि इतना खूबसूरत है। हाँ, पिक्चरों में देखे, टीवी में देखे, फ़ोटोज़ में देखे, लेकिन अपने आँख से देखना एक अलग चीज़ है।
Adi is not only Arun's manager, but he's also a very close friend. Kargil to Kanyakumari happened like gracefully, without any problems.
क्योंकि देश से बड़ा कुछ नहीं है। हम कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं कर रहे। जब देश को रख देते हैं हम, तो कुछ भी कर सकते हैं। वहाँ से भागे लोग देश के लिए, हम तो कुछ नहीं करते, हम तो जिंदे हैं।
Chandigarh, we had about 7-8 runners who were organized by one of our running friends called Asha Arora. They ran about 10 to 12 kilometers with Arun, and out of them 2 ran about close to 25 kilometers.
I met him when he reached Delhi, and he was literally limping, and the way he was walking, so I told it was impossible for him. It would have been better if he would have stopped at Delhi.
मतलब हमारी लिमिट्स वहीं तक हैं जहाँ तक हम तय कर लेते हैं, और हम अपनी लिमिट्स कितनी भी आगे तय कर दें तब पता चलता है कि लिमिटलेस होते हैं हम।
उसके बाहर के बादों का आगे वाला
That time on the India Gate, there are so many other unknown persons, youngers also. They very, very curious to know who is that, how he has done it. So I was there.
कितना विशाल देश है, अगर इसको एकदम सूत्र में बांधते हुए पानी से दौड़ा जाए तो नगमा से क्या कर रहा है।
एक न्यू चैलेंज है, उसे किस तरह से हैंडल करते हैं, मैनेज करते हैं अपने पेन को, और बट डूएबल है। एलिमिनेशन में आगे तो कहते हैं कि पहाड़ हट जाते हैं। पहाड़ से ही बड़ा लग रहा है तो बड़ी सही है, क्योंकि पहाड़ तो दिखता भी है, इसके पार जाना है। यहाँ तो पता ही नहीं कहाँ जा रहे हैं, लेकिन जा रहे हैं।
He should be one of the models for youth in India. That a man like this, from such a simple background, not very rich, struggles for life. For him to do something like that, everybody should be inspired.
लो जी, फिर दो राम का नाम ऐसे करते हैं ना।
Initially when I heard it, I thought 60 days flat was very tight, and I thought it was extremely tight. I thought maybe he needed a week, a week, to take a rest in between to rest the body. Subsequently, when he came to Delhi, when he was in Delhi and we were running towards Agra, the morning when I started running with him, I had my doubts whether he would be able to complete it. But having run that entire day, I told everyone this guy is going to complete it.
Arun is just, he is unimaginable. I was really shocked. How can this be possible that K2K when Kargil to Kanyakumari, I could not even reply what to say.
आज भी दिक्कत है इसमें, इधर थोड़ा सा घिसे हुए जूते में दौड़ गया आखिर के 20 किलोमीटर, और उसके साथ दौड़ गया, वो नहीं दौड़ना चाहिए था मुझे, इसके साथ अपने हिसाब से करना चाहिए था।
क्योंकि मुझे विश्वास था कि जरूर करेंगे, बिल्कुल पूरा विश्वास था कि ये विल डेफिनेटली कंप्लीट इट, पर ये थोड़ा एप्रीहेंशन था कि कोई तैयारी नहीं थी इनकी, विदाउट कोई तैयारी नहीं, एकदम से स्ट्राइक किया कि मुझे करना, मुझे पता लगा। और मैंने कहा सर आपने अभी कोई तैयारी भी नहीं की इसकी, बोले जो भी करेगा भगवान करवाएगा।
उद्यान की झाड़ियों में घुसकर बैठना बना है। लगभग आधा सफ़र तय होने को है, और कल का दिन काफ़ी पेनफुल था, मेरे लोअर लेग्स में बहुत ज़्यादा पेन था। धीरे धीरे करे तो कल आगरा कहा था कि कल आगरा निकाल देना चाहिए, ये एक टारगेट जो हम दिल्ली का लेकर चलते हैं उस रात तक निकाल ही देना चाहिए करके था, नहीं तो पहले भी रुकने का काफ़ी कारण बन रहा था पेन में, लेकिन धीरे धीरे करके कर दिया। और आज हम वर्ल्ड फेमस ताजमहल के सामने खड़े हैं। वहाँ अच्छा था कि ये जो केमिकल पॉल्यूशन नहीं था, धुआं का, गाड़ियों के धुआं का, लेकिन ऑक्सीजन भरपूर है और टेरेन फ्लैट है, तो इसलिए जो मध्य प्रदेश का भी मिलेगा रफ टेरेन, वो भी हमारे लिए आसानी हो।